Good morning. This is my report. Authoritative leadership style and its application. Introduction. In every organization, the absence of strong and effective leadership often results in lack of direction, weak motivation, and poor performance. Without a leader who provides vision and guidance, individuals may fail to align their efforts with collective goals, creating confusion and inefficiency. This problem becomes more serious in environments where teamwork, trust, and goal setting are essential to success. The problem is critical because organizations with weak leadership tend to suffer from low moral, resistance to change, and difficulty in sustaining growth. Studies in leadership theory emphasize that without a clear vision and effective communication from leaders, both productivity and employee satisfaction decline. Thus, the presence of a leader who can inspire and guide is essential. So this means that strong and effective leadership is very essential or important in any kind of organization or a particular group to achieve its goals and objectives. Objectives. So this is the objectives to define authoritative leadership style and its distinguishing characteristics, to identify the strengths and weaknesses of this leadership approach, to analyze how authoritative leadership is applied in various sectors, to compare authoritative leadership with other leadership styles, to provide recommendations on how organizations can maximize the use of authoritative leadership. Results and discussion, definition and characteristics. According to Daniel Goleman 2000, authoritative leadership is a style that mobilizes people toward a vision. The leader sets a clear direction while allowing individuals the freedom to innovate and find their own ways to achieve it.